guys, what's happening? Chris from Car Sound Security. So we've got a nice another YouTube video. So basically we've got a Mercedes EQC here, and this is literally pretty much brand new. Got it just before 2021 started. So this is a full electric Mercedes vehicle. Because what we've done on this, obviously we know how easy cars are to be stolen. Alright, so what we've done on this, we've done a Ghost Immobiliser. As you can see, it was fully TASA approved. Okay, that's literally what we've done on this, and the car cannot be driven without the user combination, which is hidden within the factory buttons of the car, guys. So if you've got any security needs or you need anything done, you can direct message us at Car Sound Security on Instagram, or you can send us an email at info@carsoundsecurity. Thanks for watching, guys, or give us a call on 0208 554 5554.